basically a crime not to dress like a witch during the month of October. You could never have too much black in your wardrobe. True! What's up, Earthlings? I had to purchase clothes from Disturbia because I was disturbiaed by the lack of black in my closet and I need way more black clothing, so here we are gonna try on a ton of black clothes for the month of October. Necessary, which is obvious because I need to wear black every single day in the month of October, and I've been slacking because I wore white earlier today, so obviously had to change right into black. But I needed more black clothing, more stuff that represented the month of October, you know, spook vibes 24/7. So I had to get some stuff from Disturbia, and I've actually never bought anything from here before, but I've seen a lot of it online and it always looks great, so I decided to finally try it out. So let's go through the things that I got, and I'm gonna actually try them on and see if the quality is worth the price. So I did get a few things and I wasn't totally sure my size. They had a sizing guide and everything, but I don't think I've really necessarily ordered a lot from the UK. So I wasn't totally sure about my size, but I'm pretty sure I got size 8 in most of the things that I got. So hopefully they work out. So this is a crop tee that I got. This is really nice. I like the back, how it has these slits in the back so you could see if you're wearing a bralette or a different tank top or something in the back. This shirt will be ideal for Florida because it's hot as tits here, and this open back will let me breathe and hopefully not be as damn sweaty as I normally am. I really like this edgy type that they have here. It's been emotional, so emo. This little track jacket that I got, I really liked the fit and the material of this more than I actually liked these sort of hieroglyphic things that it has on the sides of the sleeves. It does look cool, don't get me wrong, but I really just liked the overall look of the jacket more than that, and I think this adds something a little bit interesting to it, so excited to try this on. And the quality seems really nice. The zipper is thicker, it doesn't feel like a cheap zipper, and the quality of the material is also really nice. This will be a nice light jacket for Florida fall, aka slightly less burning hot summer. This is a skirt that I got, and you can never have too many plaid skirts. I already have a couple, and I obviously needed more because they match everything, and I could also wear this to work. I like how it's gray and white, so it's very neutral, and will definitely match everything. It has some nice details, like this little hook right here. It's really nice. And it has small belt hoops, but I'm probably not gonna be able to fit a belt in there unless I did a skinny one, but I like that it has those small details. It's nice quality. It's not like top-notch quality, like super nice clothing, but it's decent for the price. You're getting what you're paying for. These pants I'm really excited about. I need pants, and these are, again, plaid because I cannot get enough of the plaid vibe. And this also has that nice detailing on the back with this little ring. And I liked these because they have elastic in the back, so after I have a food baby, my pants will still fit me. And the fabric on these is super soft. Even though sadly it is a polyester blend, which means that these are gonna be super hot, and polyester just in general does not breathe very well. It's just sort of a cheap, crappy material. The material is a little bit thicker, so it feels nice, but you could just tell that it's not the nicest material. And here you could see another little ring right here. This is actually really cool. Then I got a black hood because you can never have too many black hoods in the months of fall and winter. This one I thought was really cool and will be great and functional for the current pandemic that we're going through, because this actually has a face mask covering over the face right here by the neck, so it'll kind of go up over your face, and that'll be perfect for if I need to run in a store or something rather than having to get out a mask separately. This is like a built-in mask. And it's longer, and I like that the sleeves they look like t-shirt sleeves, but then it also has this longer sleeve coming out from under it, so it has this layered look, and that's really nice that it has those details. It adds to the interest. And then it also has these spikes coming off of the top strings that tighten around the neck of the hood. And of course, pocket. And this is actually 100% cotton, which I appreciate. It will breathe nicely, and when I wash it, it's not gonna get all gross and nasty. It'll probably become softer and softer. Cotton is great, so like the material on this hoodie. Probably one of my favorite purchases from this haul that I have is this shirt that says Doomer. I'm not a boomer, I'm a doomer. Very fitting for the current state of affairs that the world is going through right now. And I find it very appropriate that the word doomer itself is in rainbow, so it's like I'm pretending to be happy, but deep down inside, I'm dead. If a boomer can be a doomer, can a doomer be a boomer? I'm probably gonna cut this shirt into a crop top or potentially wear it longer as like a dress sort of shirt. We'll see how it fits. This shirt is actually 95% cotton. We're almost to 100% cotton, but I will take it. I love cotton over polyester any day. It'll make this shirt much easier to wear in this sweaty ass state, Florida. So I just tried everything on and I actually really like everything. Everything is really nice quality. The material is nice. Some things are polyester, which I'm not in love with, but other things are made of cotton, which I really like. But overall, the actual material itself feels a little bit thicker, which is nicer. It doesn't feel flimsy like it's gonna fall apart. It's not like Forever 21 quality, you know what I mean? It's like a little bit nicer than that. And I would say that in general, everything fit really great. And I wasn't too sure about what size to get because I normally wear a size small or a 4 or a 6, but in UK sizing, it's obviously different. So their sizing is higher numbers. So my size there is actually an 8, which I was a little iffy on. I'm like, I don't know if it's gonna fit me, but everything actually worked out great if you follow their sizing guide and actually measure yourself and know your measurements, which I think really helps. But overall, I really loved everything and I'm excited to wear this stuff. So my review for this would be 2 thumbs up as of now, because I haven't actually washed anything yet. And you know, when you wash things, sometimes they can fall apart after wearing them a few times. So hopefully it'll work out. But overall right now, everything fit great and the quality seemed decent, so thumbs up. It's basically a crime not to dress like a witch during October.